Hello guys, good day. My name is Emmanuel Christian aka Binosho Signature. In this video, I will be taking you through how to install locks, how to merge two or more locks, and also how to refill locks. So this is just an highlight of the video that you're about to see. I will encourage you to stick to this channel, like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell when we bring up new locks tips. Stay tuned and remain blessed. It's small for this thing to enter, which implies, let me explain what I mean. If you want to put two locks here, when you put them in this head like this, and you are struggling to pass it through like this, see, if you are struggling to pass your lock smoothly like this, it means that the size of the head is too small for merging into locks. So don't put in extension or lock that when you put it, you are struggling to pull it out, because as you are struggling to pull it out, the hole, the head of the machine needs extra space. Let me show you. It needs extra space so that the needle can move freely. So if it doesn't have extra space but need to move freely, the level of breakage the lock is going to get is going to be very high. So if the hole is too tight, the locks will be breaking. That's one. And second, you always get stuck. Always together, the needle always get stuck. So always try your best to um, make sure that the locks is passing freely like this, very free. That's the first practice. The second practice is that anytime you are merging locks, sometimes it's always good you pick two strong locks, one weaker locks, or two weaker locks, one strong locks. Don't pick three weak locks and try to mesh them. It doesn't really make sense. That's why, to me, I will always advise that if somebody comes to merge his locks, I always advise that that person brings down his locks. That is, take it out first, section the head in a way when you install back the locks, everything, both the size of the root and the size of the dread, will match. So that's what I recommend. But if the client insists, then you work that way. So now let me show you how to merge these two locks with the machine. And in case you want to buy the machine, we have it available in stock. So let's dive in. So now I want to show you why it's not good to merge two locks. So let's go. Now take a look. If you look at these locks from this direction, do you see that it's looking same? But when you look at it from this direction, it's looking fatter. If you look at it from this direction, it's looking what? Slim. But if you look at it from this direction, it's looking fat. Now that's what you get when you merge two locks. So it's always important to merge 3 locks, 5 locks, 7 locks, 9 locks, you get. But do not merge locks that don't merge less than 2 locks, because if you do that, one side is going to be flat and one side is going to be big. But in case you have to do that, then this is the way you do it. Watch. In case the client insists that you must merge.
Hello everyone, it's your number one shortest Dreadlocks plug, Binosho Signature. We bring to you Dreadlocks machine. We are glad to tell you that there's 200k Dreadlocks machine now and 250k. You can pause the video and see the difference. And if you want, please just send us a DM anywhere across the world. We will ship it to you. This price includes your shipping. We are glad to tell you that we also sell the locks and the Afro keyboard you might hear.